Before tuning repeller, you see the position of needle. If needle is towards the right, out of scale, then bring it within scale. Bring it within scale by using range or gain control. But in this case, needle is already left side, so you don't have to do that. Okay. Next, you tune this repeller knob for maximum deflection. Okay. So deflection has come. Needle is out of scale. Bring it within scale by using this range and gain control. So now we don't know that this one exact position, again tune it. See, this is the maximum. Needle is coming back from this point. Right now? So stop it. Now with repeller I tuned. Next, tune this frequency knob same way. It's out of scale. Again bring it within scale. Again tune it. See, this is the position. Needle is coming back. So you have to set in that position. Okay. Now tuning is over. Now to read power, after tuning, put these two knobs fully clockwise. Okay. Change this dB scale. So whatever reading comes, that is your power. Come on, how much? This 1 to 2.8. Note down. You also note down. This minus 2.8. It is minus 2.8. Okay. Now, now you have to find out frequency. For frequency measurement, so we will talk. For frequency measurement, set this needle to 0. Now rotate this one, frequency meter. So this is the minimum. So in this position, the pen, in this position, this one, vertical line and inside the ring cross section point in the frequency, how much? What is the value written? 18.0, 10.0. This is, so this is how much? 10.05 then. So this is how many divisions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Total 10 and difference 0.05. 10 divided by 0.05 is how much per division? What is the value? It is around
9 point.
What 9 point? It kiman? Kiman আছে এটো? 10.1. This is 10.05. Keep write 10.059. Okay.
10.059.
That will be your frequency. This is your measured frequency. Okay. What table আছে? Now after that,
10.059.
you connect this 10 volt probe. Connect this one here. Now again bring this needle within scale by using this range or dB. Q pura goal. Again bring it within scale. Now tune this one. How to tune? Either push or pull and see the deflection. Deflection should come this side towards right. First pull it. Deflection is coming. Bring it within scale. say now I will try slowly. Okay, once you got the deflection, tune it very slowly. Okay, আর বেশি টিউন করব. So after tuning this one, slaughter line, move slaughter line towards extreme right. Then you set this needle to 0. Now see, in this scale, this right side extreme right is 0. That means that is your maximum, isn't it? So I set needle to maxima, first maxima. Now whether I have to confirm whether it is first maxima or not by moving towards left. Suppose it move see, it was not maxima. Ako move kora. Okay, this is your maxima. Now see the value. One of see. This vernier concept of the main scale to give the value of L1 and go down. See that, so see that. 7.8. কি 7.8 কিমান 8.8 কেনেকা হ'ব চাম দেন দিয়া how it is 8. see me maximum set কৰিছিলো this position will give the value of L1. now move it towards left. It one this is your maximum. Do it again. We'll go to the next maximum reading to come. Okay. I take him. This will give that value of L1. Okay, it is so. Tinjon is what? This is going to maxima. So I have to take reading on this position. Okay, so at the reading. 12.8 or 10.6. 10.6. 10.8. L1 pale L2. Now you have to find lambda z. Lambda z is equal to 2 into L1 or L2 difference, not minus. Minus diya nai. Jetu down itu age likhiba. L2. Okay. Okay, this is your lambda g. Now you will find out lambda naught by using the formula. Lambda naught square is equal to 1 by lambda g square plus 1 by lambda c square. From this you find out lambda naught. Okay. Sorry, lambda c. For lambda c, lambda c is equal to 2a. Value of a is given. Okay, there say. Find out lambda naught. Now find out c. F measured, F calculated is equal to c by lambda naught. C is how much? 10 to the power what? 8. What minus?
8.
Minus 8. By lambda naught. Okay, see all these are centimeters. Why not? You get a sub centimeters, so this meter, so you convert this to centimeter. So you will got this one. So now you this can compare measured and calculated. So correction agent first parameters paisa. Tomar